Hey there, my name is David Bradley. I'm a senior 10X training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I've been working with Grant Cardone since 2011, and I started studying his material in 2003. So one of the things that I get from a lot of my clients is, what am I supposed to do with Cardone University for my non-sales roles, my employees that aren't in a sales position? This is going to be a customer-facing employee that is very, very service-oriented. This could be somebody in your back office, could be any staff member, could be, but it's not. What it's not is somebody who is in direct sales. So the plan, the reason for this video is if you're not in a sales role, but you have access to Cardone University, I want to show you everything you need, from how to pull up the website, how to get logged in, how to track your progress, and then what should you put your attention on inside Cardone University. So I'm going to hop over into a quick little screen share, show you exactly how to do all of that. Hang tight. See you in just a second. Okay, so screen share. Here we go. This is Cardone University. Crack open a browser. Go to cardoneuniversity.com. When you get there, you'll know you're there because this is what you're going to see. And you got Grant Cardone looking at you right there. To get inside the program, all you got to do is click where it says log in. Takes you to this page right here. You're going to want to go over on this side right here where it says business team account. I train with my company. Your company pays for your training. You're not paying for it. So this is where you go to log in. You click on where it says log in. And this is your login menu. Put in your username and your password, and then hit the sign in button. Now, if you need help accessing Cardone University, feel free to reach out to me, david@grantcardone.com. That's my email address, just david@grantcardone.com. And I will make sure that you can get in. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to track your progress inside Cardone University. There are two ways to do that. First one is my usage report. Then the second one is my certification. When you go into my usage report, this will show you how many times you're accessing the program. It'll default set to month to date. So you can actually customize that, whether it's yesterday or last week or last month or last year, 2 months, whatever you want to customize, you can. And then you can find out how many times you've signed in. You can check your passing percentages on the testing that we have in here. You can see how much time you've spent training. This is a demo account. And you have pie charts and graphs to go with all of that. So you can get very, very thorough at how you're using the program and tracking your own progress. Another report that's available for you is the My Certification report. You can get, we have certifications available for you: beginner, intermediate, advanced, master level. There's a customer satisfaction certification available for you, and our new hire training certification. You can check your progress through these certifications right here when you click into my certification. When you get certified, when you finish one of these courses, so for example, when you finish the new hire training certification, at the bottom, you will be able to print or upload a certificate. You can put it on your LinkedIn profile. You can even frame it if you want. You can actually get printable certificates signed by Grant Cardone showing that you have completed these courses. So back to the main menu and then back into the training center. And let me show you some things that you can be training on right now. Okay, first things first. We do a mastermind coach call for all of our clients every single morning, 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Eastern. And you can access that via Zoom. If you need the link, click on here when you get in and you can register, and we'll send you links so you can participate in that meeting. Troubleshooting and role play happens every single morning, 7 a.m. Pacific time, 10 a.m. Eastern, with a certified Cardone sales rep who's been doing it for a long time and is an expert in that space. So check that meeting out. Once you get inside the training center, what should you be training on? If you are new to Grant Cardone, let's get to know Grant a little bit better. So you pop down all the way to the bottom. I know normally you want to start at the top. Start at the bottom. Come down here, click on where it says new hire training. New hire training is going to do a couple different things. Number one, you're going to get to learn how to use the program a little bit better than what I'm showing you right here. I call this section getting to know Grant. This is not just sales. This is intentional communication. This is how to understand other people. This is how to reach agreements and ethical persuasion. So that's what this is really all about. The next thing you have access to is our customer care section, or our customer service certification program. This is how to position yourself to enhance and over deliver on your customers and your coworkers. The next thing I want to focus on with you would be positive, healthy communication. So this is the sales box right up here. I'm going to pop into here, but sales is communication. Wouldn't you agree? When I get in here, I'm going to pop in where it says Cardone exclusive. So it's in the second row. And if you go down to the section that says live training, the first thing I want to have you look at is we're going to take a little Cardone detour and we're going to meet our COO. Her name is Sherry Hamilton, and Sherry is a master communicator. If you've ever had communication go completely wrong, I'm sure you have, I promise you the reason it did was because of one of Sherry's 4 golden rules of communication was completely out of whack. I promise you that. So in this segment right here, Sherry's going to show you and teach you and run you through her 4 golden rules of communication. And it is such a powerful tool. It'll make you a better communicator at home, at work, with your customers and your coworkers. Next, Grant has a course called How to Persuade Anyone. And that is found right back into the main training center before you get to sales inside Cardone University, all new, underneath the secret psychology to doing billion-dollar deals. This is Grant, How to Persuade Anyone, giving you the tools to avoid arguments, to listen better, to understand people better, and to get other people to see it your way without manipulation or trickery. This is a very, very powerful course right here. The next course that's available to you is back into the training center. Slide down to where it says Grant Cardone Master Mentorship and just cruise on over to this section right here. It's called Mastering Objections. Now, this may look salesy at first, right? But it also contains a formula where you will be able to talk through disagreements and handle people's objections. And this formula can be applied to anything, including what restaurant to go to tonight, or even that traditional Thanksgiving family argument. You know the one I'm talking about? Your uncle starts talking about who he's going to vote for and goes down that road. This is how to get through that without killing each other. So from here, let's take a look at how to create a better version of you, if you'd like that. So if you want to be more successful in your life, there's rules to that game. And I'm going to show you how to access the rules to that game right now. So back to the main menu. Scroll down to sales again. Click on view all. Slide over here to where it says pick your problem. This is just such a great place to hang out to get information. Pick your problem allows you to handle any challenges that you might have during the workday. So first step, first things first. You want more success in your life? Here's the roadmap to get there. Click on where it says 10x success. 10x really means think bigger, dream bigger, do more. And if you'd like to have more success, Grant is literally going to give you the roadmap. These are 13 principles and behaviors that you can act on right away, immediately, to create more success in your life. Next thing, staying motivated is hard. Let's just be honest. It takes work. It needs daily attention. So there's a course in here called Get Motivated. When you pop into here, you're going to see another course called 100 Ways to Stay Motivated. Grant's going to give you 100 different ways for you to get positive, get motivated, stay that way, and take your life to a completely different level. Also, if you spend time in the car like most of us do, I want to show you some audio programs that's available to you inside Cardone Exclusives. Right back to there again. We just looked at that a second ago with Sherry. Click on Cardone Exclusives, pop into where it says Books on Demand. These are all audios. These are all of Grant's books in audio format that you can listen to in the car, on the way to work, on the way home. You got a road trip and you want to have Uncle G ride shotgun with you. That is available for you. Now, if you need to get your money right, if you want to work on personal finance and learn more about making more money, understanding money better, we have a course in here called conveniently Personal Finance. And Grant's going to run you through how to get your money right. These are tips and action ideas and actual strategies that you can put into practice to become not just a millionaire, but a multimillionaire. And speaking of taking your life to a completely different level, let's just go back to that section real fast and pick your problem underneath 10x success. If you want to take your life to another level, and I mentioned this, 10x, dream bigger, do more. Everything good going on in your life right now, Grant's going to give you the roadmap to multiply it by 10. That's what this is all about right here. Now, at some point in your career, you might feel like dipping a toe into the sales water. And if that is the case for you, pop in where it says full curriculum. And this is where you can get a full education on sales. But think about some problems that you might have right now. Do you need help better communicating on the phone? We have a whole course on that. Do you need help following up with internet leads? We have a complete course on that. Do you need help just following up with people in general? We have a complete course on that. So anything that you're going to need help with from a sales role is all here inside full curriculum. Right now, as you're looking at it, you've got well over 24 months of material here, and we have barely scratched the surface of Cardone University and what's available to you inside this program. So if you need help, if you have questions, shoot me that email, david@grantcardone.com. Mention this video, tell me what's going on for you, and I guarantee I'll have an answer for you in 24 hours or less. Thank you so much for watching, and as Grant says, be great, because nothing else pays. Have an awesome rest of your day.